All right, welcome back. Today we're going to make some banana bread. That's some banana right there, 3 of them. A couple of eggs. Got some flour right there. I think that's a cup. And then 3/4 cup brown sugar. And the walnuts. Some chocolate chips, yummy. And then we've got some baking soda and a little bit of salt right there. And some sour cream. And some vanilla. Oh, and of course, 1/2 cup butter, room temperature. All right, so there's our salt and baking soda. Gonna pour that in, put our dry ingredients together. Now you just need a whisk, sort of stir that together. Just make sure it's sort of even throughout. Okay, and then we're gonna put the brown sugar in, and then we're gonna reach for the butter, put that in. We're gonna make our sweet cream. And just start this on 1. If you started on anything faster than 1, you probably end up with butter on the wall, so start slow. All right, put our banana in, mix that in. All right, put the eggs in. Make sure you break those yolks, excuse me. Then sour cream, mix that back down again. All right, and then we're gonna pour that flour in, our dry ingredients. Get all of that in there. And mix it again. All right, put in our soy sauce, joke, that's our vanilla. Don't use soy sauce, it'll be terrible. And some walnuts, some chocolate chips. And then we just sort of stir those in with our spatula. Don't need to use the mixer. And then we pour that into our loaf pan. I think that's a 9-inch pan, but I'm not sure. And you can just sort of make a little design on the top. Good to go. Throw that in the oven. I think we're set for 350 there. And we'll see you soon. All right, it's time to take a look and see what we got. Let's see. All right, looks clean to me. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, that looks beautiful. I'm sure that's going to be a mess. Here we go. That's going to be yummy. Let's see how it looks. Going to move this over to the cutting board. Down there. Nice. Cut off a slice right there. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. You can see those melting chocolate chips. Break that one open. Oh, there's steam coming right off of it too. It's hot. That's gorgeous. Very nice.